Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the best dash cams. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 4. VanTrue N2 Pro Dual 1080p Dash Cam. The VanTrue N2 Pro captures 1080p video of what's ahead of your car and who's inside it. It also installs easily and is small enough that it won't impair your view. Its buttons are rather small and you get fewer driver assist features compared with competitors, but the device can detect crashes and offers a parking mode that automatically triggers a recording when someone bumps into your car. The N2's ability to see what's happening inside the car should appeal if you drive passengers for a living or are a nervous parent who wants to keep an eye on your kid while they are on the road. Alternatively, you can angle the inside camera to act as a rear-view camera and use the time-lapse feature for extended recordings. You should look elsewhere if you need Wi-Fi support and a companion app, but keep in mind that this model costs less than others on our list. Screen size: 1.5 inches. Resolution: 1080p. G-sensor. Parking mode. GPS. Voice control. None. Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. Forward collision warning. Lane departure warning. Safety camera alerts. Number 3. Rove R2-4K Pro Dashcam. We like that the Rove R2-4K Pro Dashcam offers sharp 4K video, dual-band Wi-Fi, and a GPS radio for an affordable price. The easy setup and convenient microSD storage also make up for the lack of a touchscreen. Finally, the companion app makes it simple to view and download past recordings. If you want a basic, high-resolution dash cam for documenting on-road incidents, the Rove R2-4K provides all the expected features. It's an excellent value if you don't need cellular or driver assistance features. Screen size: 2.4 inches. Resolution: 4K. G-sensor. Parking mode. GPS. Voice control. None. Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. Forward collision warning. Lane departure warning. Safety camera alerts. Number 2. Nextbase 622GW Dash Cam. The Nextbase 622GW provides a lot of features for the price, including a 3-inch IPS touchscreen, Alexa voice controls, a parking mode, and a subscription-based emergency SOS feature that sends your car's location to first responders if you get into an accident. The camera delivered quality 4K video in testing and we didn't have any trouble with the on-screen controls. Choose the Nextbase 622GW if you need a dashcam that does more than record the road in front of you. The emergency SOS feature gives you peace of mind, while Alexa support ensures you stay up to date on traffic conditions. Optional add-on cameras, $69.99, even let you monitor what's happening behind you or inside the cabin. Screen size: 3 inches. Resolution: 4K. G-sensor. Parking mode. GPS. Voice control. Amazon Alexa. Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. Forward collision warning. Lane departure warning. Safety camera alerts. Number 1. Garmin Dash Cam Live. The Garmin Dash Cam Live is an editor's choice winner thanks to its low-profile design, 180-degree field of view, 1440p capture resolution, and cellular connectivity. Other highlights include excellent driver assist features such as forward collision and lane departure warnings, remote live view capabilities, and easy-to-use voice commands. It even comes with a 16GB microSD card and can let you know if you drive away without your phone. This is a great choice for drivers with older cars that lack built-in safety features. It costs a lot, but you can rely entirely on its local storage allotment, and the intuitive mobile app won't cause any headaches. Screen size: 2.95 inches. Resolution: 1440p. G-sensor. Parking mode. GPS. Voice control. Integrated. Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. Forward collision warning. Lane departure warning. Safety camera alerts.